Good morning, dear students of class 4, and welcome to yet another online class of science. Dear children, if you remember, our previous video was the concluding video for chapter 4, and I had given you some exercises to do. So today we will be reviewing those exercises and I'll let you in on the answers provided. Alright? So we'll continue. Now we'll start with choose the correct option and we'll move ahead, okay? So let's see. Your exercise 1. Dash absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, dash absorbs water and mineral from the soil, and your options are number A, leaf, number B, stem, number C, root, and number D, flower. So once again I would like to repeat the question for you all. Dash absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and your options are leaf, stem, root, and flower. Now dear children, if you remember your lesson well, then you know that the correct answer is root. Root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Coming to number 2. A dash is also known as the kitchen of a plant. A dash is also known as kitchen of a plant, and your options are number A, root, number B, stomata, number C, flower, number D, leaf. Okay, so once again I would like to repeat the question for you. A dash is also known as the kitchen of a plant. Kitchen, or as you remember, food factory of a plant. And your options are root, stomata, flower, leaf. And your correct answer is leaf. Correct answer is leaf. Now coming to number 3. Okay. Chlorophyll helps to absorb. Before we move, I would like to revise it for you that chlorophyll is the substance present in the leaf which provides the leaf with green color. But along with that, it has an additional function. It helps to absorb. Now what it helps to absorb? Your options are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, sunlight. Okay, so your options here are oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and sunlight. And your correct answer is sunlight. Your correct answer is sunlight. Alright. Then comes number 4. The flat part of a leaf. The flat part, the upper surface or lower surface, the flat part of the leaf. And your options for the name are vein, midrib, leaf blade, and number D, leaf stalk. Okay, so your 4 options for flat part of a leaf. Your 4 options are vein, midrib, leaf blade and leaf stalk. And your correct answer is leaf blade, or as you know it by another name, lamina. Alright, leaf blade or lamina is the flat part of the leaf. Coming to the fifth one. Okay children, as you can see the space is short out here. Okay, so I'll be rubbing it, but before we rub it, let's revise the answers once again. Number one, dash absorbs water and mineral from the soil. For that your options are leaf, stem, root and flower, and your correct answer is root. Then number two, a dash is also known as the kitchen of a plant. Okay, a dash is also known as the kitchen of a plant. Your options for that were root, stomata, flower and leaf, and your correct answer was leaf. Then chlorophyll helps to absorb oxygen. Your options were oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and sunlight. Your correct answer was sunlight. And then you had a flat part of a leaf. Okay, flat part of a leaf. The options for the name were vein, midrib, leaf blade and leaf stalk. Your correct answer was leaf blade, which is also known by another name, lamina. Okay, having said this, I will rub this one. Now, moving on with the fifth question. Tiny pores on leaf. Tiny pores, the holes, small holes, okay, which can only be seen through a magnifying glass or a microscope. Very tiny holes or pores, okay, holes or pores present on the leaf. Your options for that are vein, leaf stalk, stomata, midrib. Okay, so for your question number 5, you have 4 options: vein, leaf stalk, stomata, midrib. Okay, and your answer for the name of tiny pores on the leaves are stomata. Okay, your answer for this question number 5 is stomata. Then question number 6. Dash is the food prepared by plants by the process of photosynthesis. Now let's revise photosynthesis a bit. Photosynthesis is the process, okay, in actual standard words we call it a biochemical reaction, but here we'll just keep it as process. Okay, photosynthesis is the process by which a plant uses water and mineral salts, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare its food, and that process is known as photosynthesis. Now dear children, if you remember, like I taught you, in biological world only green plants have the capability to produce their own food, and that's why they are also known as autotrophs. Okay, autotrophs. But when the process of photosynthesis completes, when the process of photosynthesis is over, the form of food that they get, if you remember the process, 3 things are produced: food, water and oxygen. Out of this, food is stored in the plant, excess water is evaporated from the surface of the leaves through stomata. The process is known as transpiration, and oxygen is given out. As carbon dioxide was taken in, so oxygen is given out. But that food that is made after the completion of photosynthesis has a name. And the options for the name are number A, glucose, oxygen, chlorophyll, minerals. Okay, so your options for the name of the food prepared by plants after the process of photosynthesis completes are number A, glucose, number B, oxygen, number C, chlorophyll, and number D, minerals. And your correct answer is number A, glucose. Number A, glucose. Now the last one, number 7. A potato plant stores extra food in its dash. Okay, a potato plant stores extra food in its dash. And your correct answer, options for that are stomata, number A, stomata, number B, leaves, number C, roots, and number D, stem. Okay, so a potato plant stores extra food in its. Options are number A, stomata, number B, leaf, number C, root, and number D, stem. And your correct answer is number B, stem. Okay, number D, stem. So these are the answers for choose the correct options. Now we'll move on to question number B. Now we'll move on to question number B. Choose the correct word. Choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to choose the correct word and you have to fill in the blanks. So let's begin. Number 1. Dash roots have a thick main root. Dash roots have a thick main root. Now to fill this blank, fill the dash, you have two options: tap and fibrous. Tap and fibrous. Okay, you have two options: tap and fibrous. Having said that, dear children, the correct answer for this one, number 1, dash, the root which has one thick main root is tap root. It is tap root. Number 2, a plant uses the food prepared by it for its, then dash is there, and your options for the dash are growth, dash decay. Growth dash decay, and your correct answer for this is growth. A plant uses the food it prepares for its growth. Then comes number 3. Spinach stores food in its dash. Your options are leaf, flower. Your correct answer is leaf. Your correct answer is leaf. Then comes number 4. The dash is the main vein of the leaf. The main vein of the leaf. Your options are midrib, oblique, leaf stalk. Leaf stalk. And And your correct answer is midrib. Then you have your fifth question. The dash attaches the leaf to the stem. Dash attaches the leaf to the stem. Options are petiole, stomata. Petiole and stomata. And your correct answer is petiole. Okay, your correct answer is petiole. So your answers for all the fill in the blanks is: number 1 tap, number 2 growth, number 3 leaf, number 4 midrib, and number 5 petiole. Okay, options are in spellings are in the options itself. You can copy it from there. Now the third review. Third, name the following. Name the following. Number 1. Many thin, bushy roots instead of one main root. The answer is fibrous root. Fibrous, ROOTS. Fibrous, fibrous, ROOTS, roots, fibrous roots. Number 2, a green substance present in leaves which helps them absorb sunlight. We know the answer. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. The green substance present in the leaf which helps it to absorb sunlight, chlorophyll. Number 3, leaves take this gas from air. Carbon dioxide, CARBON, carbon, DIOXIDE, carbon dioxide, CARBONDIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. Number 4, in plants, the extra food is stored in this form. GLUCOSE, glucose. Okay, your answer is glucose. The extra food is stored in the form of glucose. Oh, sorry, not glucose, as I had my doubts. It is starch. STARCH. Glucose is the main food, and extra food that is left is stored in the form of starch. 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 And last one, stem of banyan and mango tree. Stem of banyan and mango tree. Your answer for that one is trunk. TRUNK, trunk. So children, this one finishes the review for the exercises. You will correct the exercises accordingly. Question answers will be provided to you in the next video. Thank you very much. Stay safe.